magkaroon na tayo ng konting disclaimer, no? Live Good is a company focused in the wellness in digital service industry. We are not selling shares and investment of any kind. Live Good is not a crypto company, although mag-accept tayo ng crypto P-in and P-out. And any examples or illustration provided are in no way a guarantee or promise that an individual will make financial gains of any kind. The potential for earnings is totally dependent on each affiliate member. Okay, so introduction. We have 6 basic reasons to join Live Good. Okay, first, amazing product. Okay, so lahat ng mga product natin high quality and result driven, no? Result driven ibig sabihin may resulta talaga once you use our product. In fact, kung walang resulta para sa atin, meron tayong 90 days to return even the empty bottle, balik sa US, and then bigyan tayo ng refund, no? Question asked, no? Question asked, bigyan tayo ng refund sa Live Good. And then third, incredible prices, meaning to say guys, absolute price, almost factory price yung presyo ng mga produkto natin. And then fourth, wala tayong auto shipping, walang auto charging sa card natin. And then number 5, we have no monthly product requirement to buy. Okay, so walang compulsory na magbili tayo ng mga product buwan-buwan para mag-qualify sa earnings. And number 6, this is now the number 1 global business to join. So, what is Live Good? Okay, daming nakarinig na ng Live Good, pero ang dami pa rin hindi naintindihan. Nakaintindi ng Live Good. So first, Live Good is a US-based direct selling company nakapokus sa wellness and digital service industry. So companies like USANA, no? Na-mention ito ni CEO Ben sa video kanina, Herbalife. So they are US-based company. Ang naka-advantage guys, kung ang company na sinasalihan natin ay nagkabi sa US. Bakit? Expansion globally is naka-ready na. Kumbaga is fast and easy, no? So global agad yung natin, yung reach natin. I-compare natin sa mga local companies. Dito sa Pilipinas lang yung target. If you want to go abroad, no? Kasi nasubukan ko rin yan, no? I'm also working in a company na gusto rin magtayo ng mga businesses outside of the Philippines. Ang problema, it's an uphill process. And mostly, yung mga target natin sa outside of the Philippines, mga Pinoy lang din. But guys, with Live Good, all nationality, all country, pwede natin magiging members. Okay, now, second, Live Good is a dropshipping business that can ship to over 200 countries. No? Ano ba yung mga dropshipping company? No, alam natin 'yan, no? Yung Amazon, Walmart, eBay, no, sa atin Lazada, Shopee. No, yun po yung mga dropshipping companies. No, ano ba yung dropshipping business? Actually, dropshipping is an e-commerce business na as a seller, di mo na kailangan bumili o mag-stock ng product. Okay? And then you don't need to ship the product. Bahala rin si company mag-ship ng product sa mga pa-order natin. Ang gagawin lang natin to simply sell and get our commission. Dito sa Pilipinas, ang daming mga dropshippers. Dami guys, ang daming mga dropshippers. Now, can you imagine kung magiging member ka ni Live Good, pwede kang mag-dropship instantly in 200 countries. No? But ngayon lang, ang nakatutok tayo in expanding our net. Wala pa tayo nakatutok dito sa dropshipping business na isa ring malaking potential dito para sa atin. And third, and for me, the best description ng Live Good. Live Good is a club membership that pays. Ito lang po yung club membership company na tayo mga member kumikita. Okay? So, club membership companies like Costco in the US, Sam's Club, Amazon Prime. If we talk about digital service, yun naman yung Netflix, Disney. Sa atin, meron tayong Landers and SNR sa mga wholesale club. Di ba? So, Live Good is the first club membership company in direct selling industry. So ibig sabihin, tayo lang sa direct selling industry ang first club membership company. And ito po yung rason or dahilan bakit LiveGood is unique. Sabi nila, ang dami na daw ang kumukopya ni LiveGood. Yung lahat na sinasabi na nagkopya ng LiveGood, tininan ko. Iwan ko kung anong kinopya nila. Yung Matrix siguro. Okay, so bakit ba club membership ang business model natin? So first, stable ang cash flow. Guys, because of subscription na kinukulik ni company every month, kayang-kaya or easily ma-project ni LiveGood ang finances niya. Di ba? Then second, low marketing cost. Once maging member na isang tao sa LiveGood, wala na tayong marketing budget na ilagay doon kasi captured na yung market natin. Third, low business cost. Since pwede i-scale up, pwede paramihin ni LiveGood ang membership niya, offering the same service to all of us. So, lumalaki yung ano natin, yung pera na maiipon or ma-pool sa company so that makakuha tayo ng mas mura pang product, mas quality na product para sa mga members natin. And ang mangyayari, yung mga members can get more value sa binabayaran every month. Di ba? And in fact, yung membership club model ngayon, it is now the trending business. Ang daming mga companies ngayon eyeing for this type of model. Okay, now, ano ba yung mission ni LiveGood? Napakaganda guys ang mission ni LiveGood, no? Basahin natin. To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Nasa wellness industry pa rin tayo sa LiveGood. Wellness industry, nandyan yung lahat ng mga supplementation, lahat ng mga health and beauty products. Isa lang yung purpose dyan, to be proactive. Kung dapat iwasan yung mga sakit. Kasi kung hindi natin mapigilan yung mga sakit, pupunta tayo sa hospital, that is a reactive way of curing or healing any diseases. Mas makasipo tayo kung dito tayo sa prevention. Kaya ang dami mga network marketing company nga nakatutok sa wellness industry. Di ba? So, sa sitwasyon natin ngayon, environment, tubig, pagkain, lifestyle, di maiwasan guys, we are bombarded by a lot of free radicals. Di ba? Alam naman natin yung mga free radicals. Yun po yung sumisira sa cells natin. And the only way na ma-counter natin yun is through supplementation. And guys, if mag-supplement tayo, doon na tayo sa mga supplements na high yung quality, safe na mga produkto. Ang problema sa mga ganong klaseng supplements, sobrang mahal. But don't worry, dito sa LiveGood, tapos na yan. We can enjoy high quality product with almost factory price. Di ba? So sabi ni Dr. Kasen, no? Our Director of Network Marketing, the days of selling overpriced products, so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na yan. Kung nakikita natin itong image na ito, it's very familiar, it's very biblical. No? Pinatumba ni David, si Goliath. David represents LiveGood, Goliath represents all the other price gouging MLMs. Pinatumba ni David yon. But it doesn't mean, guys, na lahat ng mga napapatumbahin natin yung network marketing industry. Hindi mangyayari yan. Kasi LiveGood is also under the direct selling industry. Ang gusto nating patumbahin is yung overpricing ng product. Di ba? I-break natin yung, sabi pa ni Noder Gasan, we are breaking the mold. Ano mo ibig sabihin yan? Binabasag natin yung lumang hulmahan, yung lumang paraan pag-costing ng product. So ano ba yung lumang paraan sa pag-cost ng product? Ito po yun. Ito yung tinatawag natin na Jurassic era na ginagamit sa lahat ng mga price gouging MLMs. Ito yung standard formula. Product cost times 10, typical yung 10. 10 is the multiplier equals the suggested retail price. So for example, merong 200 pesos worth of product. Times 10 natin yan, that's 1,000. So yung mga consumer, yung mga user ng product, yun po yung nag-absorb ng mga burdens sa costing. Kaya in the end, hindi nila ma-sustain yung napakamahal na product. So, isang misconception na sinasabi sa karamihan na mahal yung product kasi high quality. So, yung totoong dahilan pala, mahal yung product kasi ang daming multiplier, ang taas ng multiplier. Di ba? So, with Live Good guys, binigyan ng solusyon. Wala tayong overpricing ng product. Walang times 10, times 5, times 20. Ang formula natin, ito yung new era, yung Live Good formula, is product cost, guys. Okay? Then, may kunting patong lang, like 20%. Di ba? Product cost plus 20%. Yun po yung magiging member price natin. Di ba? So, dito, sobrang ang laki ng disparity, ang laki ng kaibahan versus Live Good and other all MLMs ngayon, locally and abroad. Okay, so wala kasi tayong kumpla ng product. Kaya nagmahal yung mga produkto sa mga other MLMs kasi mayroong kumplan. Dito sa Live Good walang kumplan. Bakit walang kumplan? Okay, kasi club membership tayo. Now, this business is run by our CEO, Ben Glinsky. I've known Ben Glinsky more than 15 years ago pa. I was one of his distributors sa isang digital company niya. No? 20 years yung experience ni Ben owning and running the business. So, alam niya kung paano patakbuhin talaga yung negosyo na ito. And then, ito yung mga co-founders ng Live Good. Si Ryan Godkin, ito yung formulator natin ng product. He is a doctor of pharmacy. Yung misis niya, si Lisa Godkin, is in charge of product education. So every Monday, guys, meron tayong Zoom. Kung di pa tayo makapanood ng live Zoom, pwede natin makita yan sa recorded doon sa YouTube channel ng Live Good. And of course, si Noder Kazan, isang legendary sa network marketing. Kasi sa mga dahilan, bakit din lumalaki agad yung membership ni Live Good. Okay, so dito tayo sa product naman. We have Wellness for All. No? Ang dami natin mga products ngayon. We have more than 15 products. And target ng company, we will be having 200 plus products, guys. Okay, so our products is highest quality. Kasi purest, most natural ingredients galing sa mga pristine locations on the planet, and then world-class yung manufacturing facilities natin. Okay? Lahat ng product is made in the USA. Yung process natin is approved by the GMP, no? Good Manufacturing Practice Standard. And lahat ng mga products are tested for purity and potency. So, may ebidensya ba? Okay? For purity testing and potency testing nito. Okay, so almost our products meron dalawang testing. Sa back office natin, if you are an affiliate, makita natin yung mga certificate of analysis per product. Meron tayong regular test and may mga metal test pa. So, sinisiguro dito na walang mga harmful ingredients and potent yung natin, yung mga ingredients ng product. Okay, so this is conducted by a third-party laboratory in the US. Okay, so paano ba mag-order ng mga products? Okay, napakasimple lang pag-order. Pwede ka mag-order as a consumer or as a member. Kung consumer ka, babayaran mo lang is low retail price. But if you are a member, guys, grabe. Napakamurang presyo sa napaka-high-end na produkto. Okay? If you are a Live Good member, you can save up to 75% compared to products in other high-end network marketing companies. Okay, so price comparison. Totoo ba na sobrang natin, mura? Okay? So, for example lang, yung CBD oil natin na 750 mg cost only $18. I-compare natin yan sa like Green Roads, no? Young Living na nasa 500 mg lang. Sobrang mahal, di ba? That's $89, $79. So with Live Good, mas high quality pa, mas ang dami pang laman, and then napakamura, guys. That's $18. Nasa lang yan? Nasa 1,000 pesos lang yan. Okay, look at Super Greens. Ano ba yung Super Greens? Super Greens is lahat ng mga green plants na napaka-effective like barley, no? Wheatgrass. Nandito sa Super Greens natin. This is designed for overall immunity, overall protection natin, no? So, i-compare natin sa mga existing product in the US like Organifi and Athletic Greens, napakamura, guys. $18 lang versus $69 versus $99. So again, bakit mura? Kasi walang complan. Walang complan yung product natin. Okay, so another example, meron tayong ageless skin serum, no? Nasa $14.25 lang compared to other brand na mag $59, $86. So, grabe ka layo ng difference talaga sa in terms of pricing. Now, dito naman, i-compare natin yung price between member and retail. So, ibig sabihin, kung retail price, you are not a member of Live Good. So, itong multivitamins natin, guys, we have two types. We have for men and we have for women. This 60 capsules yung laman ng isang buti and all bioactive. Bioactive multivitamin. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng bioactive? All ingredients are functional, result-driven ingredients. Okay? So magkano ba yung member price? $9.95, nasa 560 pesos lang. Yung retail price nasa mga 800 pesos to 900 pesos lang, no? So, kung titingnan mo, nasa $9 yung difference, no? So, hindi masyadong malaki yung difference between retail and member price. But if I were you, if you want to try our product, magpa-member ka na para mas sulit yung natin, yung mas malaki yung savings natin. For super greens naman, member price is $18, retail price is $29.95. Nasa $11 yung difference, no? And sa super rich natin, guys, nako, super rich is grabe. It's one of my favorite products sa Live Good. Is good for sabi ni Noder Kasan, lahat ng taong may puso, pwede po ito kasi it's cardiovascular product and then also good for the brain and energy, no? $18 yung member price, retail price is $29.95 lang. So look at our healthy organic weight management coffee, guys. $17.95, $28.95 for retail. Meron itong 6 types of mushrooms, no? So ang kape natin sobrang sarap and then magiging lean po tayo dito because of the ingredients. And then meron din tayong plant-based protein na sobrang laki nito po, no? Itong protein natin for only $22. And then kung retail price non-member is also low at $34 US dollars. And then CBD pain relief cream, available na po ito sa system natin. And I think also this one, yung mga sleep patches natin, transdermal energy and sleep patches available na rin sa back office natin. And of course, itong collagen peptides na types 1 and 3. Okay, so grabe, napakamura ng collagen natin. Nasa $27 lang if you are a member. If you are not a member yet, no, nasa mga 30 plus something. Napakamura din, no, ng collagen natin. Now, having said that, paano ba maging member ni Live Good? Napakasimple lang, membership. Get the link from your sponsor, yung taong nag-invite sa iyo, and then bayad lang kayo ng $9.95 per month. I suggest go for yearly kasi may 20% discount. And then you can enjoy the member price, no, sa lahat ng mga produkto natin. Okay, now para mas lalo nating maintindihan yung si Live Good, allow me to explain sa mga popular club membership. So for example, Amazon Prime in the US. Amazon Prime is a subscription business owned by Amazon. Ang babayaran nila per month is $14.99 per month or $139 per year. Ang makuha na benefit is free shipping lang. Free shipping lang if you order items sa Amazon. Di ba? So kung mag-order ka 10 times a month, walang shipping fee yan. But kung wala kang order, bayad ka pa rin ng $14.99 per month. Si Costco, wholesale, no? $120 per year. Ang benefit natin, parang Landers, no? Isinar. No? We cannot order products if we are not a member. And then si Sam's Club, this is owned by Walmart, no? Kompetensya ni Costco, nasa $100 per year. So ganun pa rin. Dito yung makabili ng mga items nila kung di tayo member. No, dito naman tayo sa digital companies. Netflix. Ako, grabe, 2 years na akong subscriber ni Netflix. Ito yung plan ko, $9.99 per month. Ano bang benefit natin dito sa Netflix? Unlimited movies. Ubos din ang oras natin. Yung competitor ni Netflix, si Disney Premium, $10.99 per month or $109.99 per year. Ano makuha natin? Pareho na Netflix, movies, mga series. Di ba? So guys, Live Good is the new entry dito sa club membership business. Magkano yung monthly natin? $9.95. Yearly is $99.95 per year. Okay? And this is the difference. Kahit ang dami mong friends na in-encourage na mag-member ng Amazon Prime in the US, wala kang kita dyan. Mag-refer ka ng someone sa US na maging member ng Sam's Club, ng Costco, wala kang kita dyan. Lahat ng mga Pinoy na kilala mo, invite mo or sabihan mo mag-Netflix subscriber kayo. Okay? Or sa Disney Premium, guys, wala tayong kita dyan. Live Good, meron. Kasi this is also the first membership club that pays. Diba? Tayo lang yung membership club na if you refer Live Good to others, paramihin natin yung membership ni Live Good, meron tayong bayad. Diba? So, nakuha natin guys, first, Live Good is the first club membership in the direct selling industry and this is the first club membership that pays. Yan. Okay. Now, short history ng Netflix. Netflix started in 2007 in video streaming with few movies, no? Kunti lang yung movies na nagsimula sila. And then after 1 year, nagkaroon na sila ng 9 million subscribers. Di ba? And in 2022 last year, they have 230 million subscribers with annual sales or revenue of 31 billion. Ganon kalaki ang subscription business. Now, si Live Good, nag-start tayo December 2022 with few highest quality supplements. Okay? And then in 2023, last month, July, meron na tayong more than 500,000 members, subscribers worldwide. Yung revenue natin, nasa $10 million pa lang. Guys, what if mahit natin yung 10 million subscribers in the next 2 years or less, maging billion yung sales ni Live Good. Ang exciting dito guys, tayo ng mga affiliate members ng Live Good na nagparami ng membership ngayon, nag-promote ng mga product ni Live Good, ay sobra. Grabe yung income potential natin. In fact, naranasan na natin ngayon. 6 months lang si Live Good sa Philippines, ang daming buhay na nagbabago. We have 7 diamonds sa Pilipinas and counting. Okay. Now, tapos na tayo sa first presentation, no? Ang first part natin is just an explanation what is Live Good and then how to become a club member ni Live Good. $9.95 lang na almost kaparehos ng ibang club membership company. Now, for the second part, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month dito sa Live Good? Okay? Ito yung second part na wala sa lahat ng mga sinabi ko na membership company. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, let me expound about subscription business kung gaano ito kalaki. Kung titingnan natin yung sales ni Zoom, no? Last year, yung sales nila annually is 2.65 billion. So again, 2.65 billion dollars yung revenue ni Zoom. Ako subscriber din ako na Zoom, pero 100 yung participants ko. Nasa $14.5 sila per month. Ito kay Coach B. Siguro, grabe, kasi 1,000 to. Sobrang mahal nito, guys. Gamitin natin or hindi, babayad tayo ng subscription. Kaya kung napansin natin, ang sobrang laki ng kita ni Zoom every month, every year. So, Netflix, kasi si Netflix, mag-relate tayo kasi ginagamit natin ito mostly sa mga Pilipino, mga subscribers. So, 230 million subscribers na si Live Good last year. Yung income niya or yung sales niya, annual revenue in 2022 is $31.6 billion. Ganon kalaki, guys. And then sa Costco, nakuha natin na meron na silang 59 million members, household members. And then merong 107 million card holders. Yung income nila sa membership lang is $3.5 billion. We are talking here about millions and in dollars. Ganun kalaki yung business ng club membership in subscription business. Now, ito is, i-discuss ko lang ito is pagbigay ng idea kung gano'n ba kalaki ang maging potential natin sa LiveGood if we do this business massively starting today. Okay, so it took Netflix 10 years to get 100 million subscribers. Pero si Disney guys, yung competitor, nakuha niya yung 100 million subscribers in just 16 months. Now, take note, what if 3 years from now or in 2025, magkaroon lang tayo ng 10 million subscribers? 10M lang muna. No? 10% of what Netflix has. Okay? So, in my calculation, yung binta natin, yung sales natin at this time, magiging billions. More than $2.8 billion annually yung maging revenue natin dito. Maging close po siya sa annual revenue ng Zoom. Di ba? Ang kagandahan ng with LiveGood guys, at least 50% ng revenue ng sales ni LiveGood ibabalik sa mga affiliates. Yan. Bakit ibabalik niya? Kasi tayo mga affiliates ang nagparami ng membership, nag-promote ng membership, nag-inform sa mga lahat ng mga friends natin about LiveGood. In short, tayo yung nag-market ng LiveGood product and services sa lahat ng tao sa buong mundo. Okay? Kasi belong si LiveGood sa direct selling industry. Di ba? So, grabe yung timing natin dito guys ngayon with LiveGood. So, paano ba maging affiliate ni LiveGood? Kasi affiliate lang ang pwedeng kumita. So again, we have two types of membership. Meron tayong club membership na babayaran mo lang $9.95 per month para ka lang ng subscribe ng Netflix. Ngayon guys, yung bago, no? If napansin nyo yung Facebook, meron ang tinatawag na badge, blue badge. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng ganon? It simply means that you are verified ng Facebook. And for you to become verified ni Facebook, kailangan mo mabayad ng 500 pesos per month. Yun lang yung maging benefit natin kung ma-subscribe tayo, mag-verify tayo ni Facebook, $500 per month. Wala pa tayong kita. Ano yung purpose ng verification? But dito sa LiveGood guys, no, na-discuss natin kanina, $9.95 lang, maka-access natin sa lahat ng magandang produkto. Okay, so again, dito na tayo sa part 2. So sa LiveGood affiliates. So how to become an affiliate member ni LiveGood? Again, very simple. Kunin mo lang yung link ng sponsor nyo, yung nag-invite nyo dito. Second, pay a one-time payment of $49.95 on your first month. Nasa $2,850 lang or $2,900 lang. One time, lifetime. And next, to become active sa membership natin, magbayad lang tayo ng $9.95 per month. Okay? So ano ba makuha natin sa $49.95 na bayad natin as affiliate member? First, access to membership club. Second, mayroon tayong digital marketing products. Yung video ni CEO Ben, guys, yung pinakita natin kanina, isa yun sa mga magandang tools na gamitin natin sa pag-market na ating product and business. Okay? So once you become an affiliate, magkaroon kayo ng ganong type of link. And then, of course, makaparticipate na tayo sa Complan ni LiveGood. Now, guys, sa Complan, we have two. Complan natin is powered by a two structure. Meron tayong tinatawag na unilevel structure. Meron din tayong matrix. So yung unilevel is based sa enrollment. Kailangan mo mag-refer, mag-recruit ng mga tao na mag-affiliate ni LiveGood or mag-subscribe para magkaroon tayo ng unilevel structure. Sa matrix naman, dito sa matrix, kahit wala kang direct, pwede kang magkaroon ng matrix team. Why? Kasi yung matrix natin, tinatawag itong 2x15. For every affiliate member, dalawa lang yung pwedeng makonek sa kanya. So for example, si Apps Vilma, meron siyang more than 100 directs. since dalawa lang yung pwede makonect sa kanya, yung the rest, tinatawag yan na spillover. Spillover yan. And then, kahit spillover yan, pwede kang kikita dyan. Ganon ka-powerful yung matrix system natin. Okay? We have 7 ways to earn, or pwede natin itong gawing 6 ways to earn. Guys, so first is meron tayong tinatawag na fast start bonus. Ang fast start bonus natin is commonly sa atin tawag dyan is direct referral. Guys, yung direct referral natin, yung fast start bonus natin is $25 each. Every time maka-refer po tayo ng affiliate na magbayad ng $49.95, meron tayong $25 na bonus. Ibig sabihin, maka-sponsor tayo ng dalawa, magiging break-even na tayo. Di ba? And then, kagandahan ng ating, guys, kagandahan ng ating fast start is up to 10th generation. Okay? So ito yung first level mo, direct mo, meron kang $25. But kung itong level 1 mo, mang-refer, level 2 mo, may kita ka na $5 each sa lahat ng mga referral ng level 1 mo. Okay? Provided you are a bronze. Kung magiging silver ka, no, up to 4th level yung magiging fast start mo. Kung magiging gold ka, up to 6th level yung fast start mo. Platinum is up to 8th level. Guys, diamond up to level 10. Ito yung weekly commission natin nasa fast start. Grabe, sobrang laki po nito, guys. Okay, now, second way to earn, meron tayong tinatawag na 2x15 matrix, di ba? So, if this is you, guys, okay, pwedeng direct mo to, pwedeng spillover galing sa taas. It doesn't matter. Basta bumagsak sa genealogy mo, may kita ka na $0.25 per month per subscription. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pwede tayong kumita kahit walang na-recruit because of this powerful 2x15 matrix. Okay? So, pwede natin expound ng konti. No? Again, if this is you, okay? So, halimbawa, ikaw to and then busy ka pa, wala kang ginawa, okay? Active ka lang sa membership and then si for example, yung sponsor mo si Coach B na sobrang grabe, lakas mag-refer ng tao. So, bibigyan ka ng spillover dito. Since dalawa lang yung ilagay mo, yung more than ng excess of to ni Coach V, no? Ilagay sa'yo dito. And then dito, and then dito, and then dito, and so on and so forth. Okay? So again, ang team natin sa Matrix galing sa upline or galing sa iyo, and then pagpalaki niyan, pwede din galing sa mga spillover mo. So, isa lang yung gusto kong i-emphasize dito sa Matrix, pwede tayong kumikita sa Matrix kahit walang na-invite. But again, the more tayong kumikita, pagtulungan natin yung Matrix na mabuo agad. Okay, so if you are unranked ibig sabihin walang rank, okay, so pwede kang kikita ng $0.25 per month per subscription hanggang 12 level. So that yung potential income mo sa Matrix is $2,000 per month. If you want to increase your Matrix income, mag-bronze ka, mag-rank up ka, bronze o silver. Maging $4,000 yan per month. Okay? If you want to go higher, go for platinum or diamond, maging 8,000 per month yung matrix mo. Kung diamond ka, guys, ito na yung maximum, $16,000 per month. As a Safety company, ang pwede natin kikita in bawat isa, maximum sa matrix is $16,000 per month. May limit, pero nako, sobrang laki yan, guys. More than 800,000 yan per month. Now, third way to earn. Ito, grabe, sobrang lupit nito. Actually, dito ako na-interest eh. Matching bonus. Matching bonus ay kikita ka ng 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Example, ikaw to. Okay. Now, ito, direct mo, kumita ng $1,000 per month sa matrix. 50% of that is 500. So ito rin direct mo, kumita ng $500 sa matrix. 50% of that is your kita, matching mo. and so on, and so forth. Ang kagandahan ng matching bonus, guys, walang limit. Infinite. There's no limit kung ilan yung pwede mong i-refer. The more you refer, the more lalaki yung matching bonus mo. Now, ang kagandahan ng matching bonus, it is not limited to 50% sa lahat ng mga direct mo. Kung magiging silver ka, pwede kang kikita na up to second generation silver. Kung gold ka, pwede kang kikita up to third generation gold. Kung platinum ka, hanggang fourth generation. Kung diamond ka, hanggang fifth generation. Ibig sabihin, mas lalong lumaki or lalaki yung income natin sa matching kasi up to fifth generation. Kailangan lang natin mag-rank up. Yun na po yung sikreto. Okay, now, before I proceed sa next natin nakitaan, mas maganda guys kung kayo ay hindi pa affiliate, no? Go for this. Tinatawag natin ito na family sit-up. Okay? Kung affiliate po kayo, hindi pa ninyo ito nagawa, I advise, gawin nyo na habang maaga pa. So ano ba yung benefit? So actually ito i-illustrate natin. Kung ikaw to, pasok mo na yung ano mo, family mo, kahit hindi sila mag-recruit. Ito is ano lang, waiting lang ito, waiting. Hindi ito recruiting. Ikaw yung you will be the one to do the business. So ano bang advantage dito? Lahat ng mga referral mo, bagsak sa kanila. Di ba? Kikita sila, kikita ka rin. Now, kung ito yung ginawa natin, meron kang dalawang direct, family mo, maging bronze ka agad. Then yung matrix potential ng bronze is $4,000 per month. Now, kagandahan dito, kung mapuno yung matrix mo, yung $4,000, ibig sabihin, kung napuno yung matrix mo, napuno din yung matrix ng mga family member mo. So, kikita din sila ng 2,000 each. So that, dalawa sila, $4,000 din. And then, since direct mo sila, may matching bonus ka na 50%. So, 50% of 4,000, just 2,000. And that is why, guys, yung potential income natin dito is $10,000 per month. I don't care kung abutin ako ng 2 years, 3 years before ito mangyari. As long as makuha ko to in the next months or few months from now. Kailangan ko lang gawin to. Guys, actually, to be honest with you, hindi ko ito nagawa. Ako to, yung nalaman ko to, yung nanood ako ng Zoom nila Coach Fernan, na maganda pala to. Anong nangyari? Meron na akong dami dito eh. Meron na akong mga spillover na. Okay? So nangyari, dito na yung family ko, yung misis ko dito, and yung mga anak ko dito. Hindi ko ito talaga na-realize. So that's why, sa mga new upcoming affiliates natin, gawin nyo na ito. And sa mga hindi pa nagagawa, gawin nyo na agad. Okay. Now, what if makakuha ka ng 20 directs? Ito, baguhin natin ito busy. Sobrang busy, hindi naka-recruit pero active sa membership. Di ba? So, since ito yung maximum potential natin, eventually, mapupuno yung matrix nila. Siguro 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, mapupuno yung matrix. So once it will happen, mapuno yung matrix nila, kasi ikaw yung sponsor, 50% sa kikitain nila sa matrix, may 50% ka. So meron kang $1,000. Multiply mo yan ng 20. So total income potential mo sa matching bonus pa lang is $20,000 per month. That's more than $1 million. But if you're like me, na tinatarget talaga is at least 100 solid. 100 solid direct referral, ibig sabihin, maging diamond talaga. Lahat. No? So, once mangyari yan, kikita sila each ng $16,000 per month. Meron akong 50% dyan. Multiply natin ng 100. Potential monthly income ko is $819 per month or $45 million. Sobrang laki naman ito, Jaime. Totoo nga, sobrang laki. But kung nakasubaybay kayo sa kita ni Coach Fernan last month, grabe. Sa palagay ko, mabibilang na lang yung mga buwan, magkukuha ito. Guys, grabe. Okay, so fourth way to earn natin, ito yung retail commission. Ito na yung dropshipping na sinasabi ko kanina na di pa natin nagawa ngayon yung dropshipping. Kasi nakatutok tayo sa pagpalaki ng net natin na sa recruitment, which is tama naman. Ito yung dropshipping. Okay? So kikita tayo ng 50% of the difference between member and retail price. So for example, yung Super Rich is $18, yung retail price is 19, difference of that is 11.95. 50% of that is your income. Dropshipping income na babayaran ka every week. Okay? So, number 5, ito naman yung influencer bonus. Influencer bonus, guys, doesn't mean ikaw influencer. Pwede ka namang mag-add sa Facebook, binta ng product. Ito is bintahan ng product. Now, ang requirement lang nito is makabinta ka ng $2,500 in 1 month, 60% na yung retail commission mo. Kung makabinta na ka na ng $50,000 in 1 month, that's 100% commission. Ibig sabihin, 100% of the difference between retail and member price is your commission. Ito yung ceiling. Ito yung tinatawag natin na dropshipping business. Yung kitaan number 4 and 5 is dropshipping business yan. Okay. Now, lastly, itong ano natin, yung kitaan number 6, diamond bonus pool. Kaya ang daming guys, lahat ng mga leaders tayo, we're aiming for diamond. Kasi once you become a diamond, parang owner ka na ng company. Why? 2% sa lahat ng binta ng company, ma-membership man or ma-product, paghahatian yan lang lahat ng mga diamonds in the whole world. And last month, guys, yung share nila last month sa diamond is nasa $6,000 each. Each. Multiply mo yan ng 56, grabe. Sobrang laki niyan. Sobrang laki niyan. And then dito naman, sa Crown Diamond Pool, 0.5% sa lahat ng membership sales and product sales ilagay sa Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. Okay? And then, kung ilan yung nasa rank na yon, sila yung maghahati. Okay? And right now, guys, we only have 2 Crown Diamonds. Si Tim Miller, apply din natin. At si Coach Fernan, apply din natin. But Coach Fernan is the first Crown Diamond in the whole world. The first diamond and first Crown Diamond dito sa Pilipinas. Di ba? Sales natin last month, nasa 10 million. Multiplied yan ng 0.5%. Magkano yan? That is $50,000 in 1 month, US. Divide by 2. So, tag-tig $25,000 sila ni Tim Miller at si Coach Fernan. 6 months pa lang yan. Di pa kasama yung matching bonus, yung fast start bonus, at saka metrics na ko. Grabe. Kailangan lang natin, guys, magsipag ngayon. Okay. So, ito outdated to. Ito yung first diamond sa Pilipinas and first Crown Diamond. Si GC Garcia naman, ito yung upline diamond natin in the US. Nauna pa nga si Coach Fernandito naging Crown. And of course, si Tim Miller. No? Itong mga figures dito is outdated to, guys. Now, where is the biggest money sa Live Good? Okay? Ako na sasagot para madali. Nasa matching bonus. Why? Kasi yung weekly fast start income is active yun. Kung wala magre-recruit, wala tayong kita. Yung matrix income is fixed. $16,000 maximum. Yung retail commission, ng ipabibinta, active type. Kung walang binta, walang kita. Diamond Pool is shared income kung ilan yung budget, ilan yung maghahati, so shared income yan. Pero yung matching bonus is passive and unlimited. Kaya kailangan natin mag-enroll ng maraming affiliate for us to get bigger matching bonus. Kasi ito yung magbigay natin ng difference sa lahat ng mga distributors, lahat ng mga diamonds, lahat ng mga distributors, o lahat ng mga affiliate members ni Live Good. Okay, so guys, this is not to entice you, but sa pagpakita lang na meron talagang kita sa matching bonus. So, income ito sa apply natin, guys. Pakita ko lang, discuss ko lang. In February, matrix niya is $661, pero yung matching, nako, grabe. 6,000 kasi dami niyang direct. Pag March, yung matching and yung matrix niya naging 900 from 600, pero yung matching niya naging 14,000. And then, in April, yung matrix bonus niya naging 1,000, yung matching naging 24. Grabe. How much more sa May, sa June, guys? Sobrang laki na yun. Di ba? So, pinakita lang natin talaga yung potential ng matching bonus. Okay, so malapit na tayong matapos. Dito na tayo sa rank. Paano ba mag-rank? Paano ba mag-unrank? Unrank ibig sabihin, walang direct or isa lang yung direct. Tawag mo unrank. Ang benefit mo lang, is $25 direct. Level 1 lang. Next, bronze. Ang bronze, kailangan lang ng dalawang direct. Dalawang affiliate na direct mo. Okay? So, kikita ka ng first level na 50% and second level. So, hanggang second level lang yung pa-start mo. Ang third rank is tinatawag natin na silver. Ang benefit ng silver hanggang fourth generation yung pa-start. Ang requirement, kung meron kang 20 direct, silver ka na. Or meron kang 10 directs, total team member mo, team is based on enrollment. Hindi yun bibilangin yung metrics ha, spillover. Nasa based on enrollment. So kung abot ka ng 20 members, din may 10 directs sa silver ka, or total team members mo is 20 and mayroon kang 3 bronze. Silver ka na. Sobrang dali. And then sa gold naman, kung maging gold ka, yung benefit mo is up to 6 generation na fast start bonus. Ang requirement lang, meron kang 30 directs and then yung buong team mo ay 100. Pwede ka rin maging gold kung may team ka na 100, may tatlong may tatlong silver. Or dito ka, walang silver. Pero yung total team mo is 100 and then 30 max yung credit per league. Kung meron kang 4 na leagues, sa limbawa 50 dito, 30 lang yung counting kasi max 30. So kung abot yan ng 100, gold ka pa rin. And third, next, platinum. Ang benefit ng platinum is hanggang 8th generation. Ito yung requirement. 100 directs, then total team members mo is 500, or meron kang total team members na 500, then meron kang 3 gold. Or per league yung babasihan, 150 max per league. Pag i-total mo yan, abot ng 500, platinum ka na. And lastly guys, diamond. Ang diamond benefits ng fast start up to 10th generation, and then yung matrix is $16,000 per month. Di ba? Sobrang laki. And then yung requirement, dalawa lang yung option natin. Total team members mo is 2,500 with 3 platinum. 3 platinum in different lines, 2,500 members, diamond ka na. Or, kahit wala kang platinum, kung per league yung mabasihan, maximum of 500 per league. Ibig sabihin guys, kung mayroong 1,000 dito sa league na ito, 500 lang ang counting yan. Kung aabot yan ng 2,500, yun, diamond ka na. May proper sharing ka na sa diamond bonus pool. Guys, lahat ng mga binanggit natin sa club membership, pati yung sa affiliate membership na sobrang laki yung potential income, baliwala yan pag wala tayong reason. Kahit gano'n pa kaganda si Libgood, kahit gano'n pa siya ka-easy in market trabahuin, kung wala tayo nito, wala rin mangyayari. So kailangan natin ngayon i-redevelop yung why natin. Bakit ba natin ito gawin? Baka gusto mo mag-travel, gusto mo ng bagong gadget, o gusto mo ng makabili ka ng sasakyan, bayaran yung sasakyan mo, or kung may anak ka na, mga anak ka na, education sa kids mo na gusto mong doon pag-aralin mo sa napakagandang eskwelahan, or may financial needs ka, financial obligation ka, or gusto mo for retirement. Di ba? Lahat na yan may katumbas na halaga na pwede, once ma-convert mo yan into value, monetary value, si Libgood ang nagbibigay ng solusyon. Sobrang daling gawin na lang yan. Ang gawin mo lang, once you have your why, i-convert mo yung why mo kung magkano, 10 million ba yan, 5 million ba yan, okay? So, next dyan is action plan. I will just propose 3 action plans. So, first proposal ko is, be an active club member. Okay? Ibig sabihin, bayad ka lang na $9.95 per month subscription or upgrade to yearly para makasave. Order products as you need. Kahit di ka mag-recruit, kasi sobrang busy mo, walang problema. Pwede ka pa rin kumita ng dividendo from matrix spillover kahit wala kang recruit. Okay? Ang importante, active ka sa membership mo. Kung ikaw to, lahat ng mga spillover, imposible guys, in 6 months or 1 year, wala kang spillover. So again, sa what I mentioned earlier, kikita ka ng $0.25 per month per subscription basta under sa matrix mo. Pero, may limit. Hanggang $2,000 lang per month yung income potential mo dyan. Okay? And then, di mo control. Okay? Di mo control kung kailan mangyayari yung $2,000 per month. Pwede mangyari in 2 years from now, 3 years from now, 7 years from now. Ang kagandahan lang, Kahit 10 pa lang nandun, kita ka ng 10.25. Diba? It doesn't matter na hintayin yung $2,000 before ka babayaran. Kahit mayroon 2, 3, 4, 10 na spillover, may payout ka pa rin monthly. Diba? Ang sikreto lang dito, be an active club member. Kung nagbayad ka ng monthly subscription mo, buwan-buwan. Now, if you have monetary targets na gusto mong kumita agad, I suggest implement mo itong Power of 2. Ibig sabihin ng Power of 2, get 2 affiliates in your first month, pwede ka mag-stop. 1 month lang, 30 days, pwede ka mag-stop, but ang gawin mo, stay active with your membership and then you have to duplicate the process. Ganun lang kasimple. Find to, stay active, then duplicate. Ang mangyari dyan, in 12 months, no? In 12 months, kikita ka, mapuno yung metrics mo and you will earn $2,047.5 in just 1 year. 1 year lang, mapuno yung metrics mo, kikita ka ng $2,047 per month in just 1 year. Di ba? So at least dito, klaro na. Klaro na. But if you are like me or like Coach Vilma, like Coach Fernan, na malaki yung talagang vision natin dito sa Live Good, at least, no? Pwede ka mag-challenge sa sarili mo na Power of 10. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng Power of 10? Get 10 members on your first month. Duplicate up to 4th month. Magkaroon ka ng 11,000 members in 4 months time. Sabihin lang natin 30% ang duplication, 70% supply. Kahit 30% duplication pa yan, meron ka pa rin 3,000 members, enough for you to become a diamond and you will enjoy around $10,000 per month na income. Di ba? Then, Derek, in 1 month, you can stop, stay active, but duplicate. Kung di mo kaya gawin yan in 1 month, gawin mo in 3 months. After 6 months, after 9 months, after 1 year, pwede kang maging diamond. Si Coach Perman, nakuha niya yung diamondship in 81 days yata. Si Coach Vilma, siguro mga 3 to 4 months nakuha yung diamond. Guys, kahit pakuha ko yan in 12 years, in 12 months, in 1 year, sigurado yung $10,000 ko, pwede ako maghintay. Diba? Kaysa wala akong gawin ngayon. Aabang lang ako kung dami namang kumikita sa Live Good. Diba? Sayang yung oras talaga. Now, there are top 4 reasons to join. Unahin ko yung number 4. Very simple, powerful, and lucrative plan. Simple kasi pwede kang kumita. Basta active ka lang kahit walang recruit. Lucrative kasi pwede kang yayaman in just 1 year. Promise. Then number 3, marketing system, tools, and training. Yung pinakita natin na video kanina, 30% yung yung closing rate. Okay? Number 2, very high quality and very affordable products. And number 1, we just officially launched globally. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Okay? Target natin before end of December 2023 is 1 million. And I think nasa 600,000 members na tayo ngayon. Kayang-kaya yan. And after that, next year, 100 million to 1 billion members onward. Di ba? So ngayon, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang nung nakikita natin. The next big thing is after this year. Okay? So, kung titingnan naman natin yung E-Corp, E-Corp is success corp sa mga malalaking company. Ito talaga yung track sa mga successful companies, guys. So, first 2 years, tinawag yan na formulation stage, concentration stage. This is recruiting driven. Kaya nagre-recruit tayo kasi gusto nating paramihin yung mga affiliates. Kasi after 2 years, mag-momentum yan. Di mo na mapiligilan yan. Mag-momentum yan. Ang daming mag-diamond dyan. Di ba? So kung ikaw nagtrabaho ka dito sa foundation na 7 months pa lang tayo, once mahit na natin yung critical mass, grabe yan. Pumulusok yung mga members ni Live Good. Abot tayo ng billions dyan. What if yung lahat na mga mag-diamond dito ay magiging downline mo? Di ba? Magkatotoo yung projection natin na solid diamonds. Di ba? Then after this one, this is stability. This is customer and retail driven. Malay mo, wala nang affiliate member dito. Wala nang affiliate membership. Club membership na lang. Di ba? So napaka-swerte natin, guys. Nasa 7 months pa lang si company. 7 months pero with more than 20 years experience yung mga founders natin. Di ba? So, siguro I will end my presentation by asking all of you sa mga guests natin, are you an A, B, or C? Pag sinabing A, I want to become an affiliate member. Nito si gusto ko makasave sa product, gusto kong kumita. If you want to be a B, gusto ko lang mag-member, gusto ko lang ng product, makasave ako ng product. Or you are a C,